I'm Mike Tortorese, Director of Marketing at Infront WebWorks. I'm here to talk to you today about SEO Workshops. SEO workshops are fantastic, especially if you're new to SEO and you're trying to understand why your website doesn't work. We've been holding workshops now for over 20 years for people who like to roll up their sleeves, like to figure out what's going on with their website. We offer a variety of classes that can help you create a website that gets better visibility online, that attracts clients and leads and new customers. So one of the great things about Infront WebWorks is we're staffed by professionals who have been in SEO at an agency level for at least 6+ years on the team. These are smart, very successful SEO specialists who know what they're doing. With that, it gives us an opportunity to provide workshops and classes for not only our clients, but just the general public. All are welcome to come and talk about their websites. Typically, we choose the topic prior. We do everything from website evaluations in a group setting to how to rank locally on Google Maps to on-site SEO as well as off-page SEO. Every year we host a variety of virtual and in-person workshops and classes for you to enjoy. It's a casual environment where we all sit around a table and talk about our own websites, what's going on with them, as well as certain topics provided to us by Google themselves. Google hosted workshops along with workshops that we develop in tandem with our clients, whatever their interests are or whatever they're trying to accomplish with their website in search engine optimization. So whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced SEO person, we would love to see you there. We cover the gamut and we make these classes very accessible for each and every person that joins us. Sometimes we even buy pizza.